Robotics, the revolutionary technology shaping our future. Robotics, an interdisciplinary field combining engineering, science, and technology, is revolutionizing industries and the way we perceive the world around us. From automating mundane tasks to exploring uncharted territories, robots have become an integral part of our modern society. In this article, we will delve into the exciting world of robotics, its diverse applications, and its potential to rank high in SEO due to its widespread relevance and technological advancements. 1. Versatility and applications. Robotics encompasses a vast range of applications, making it a highly relevant topic across various industries. Robots can be found in manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, space exploration, entertainment, and even in our homes. Their versatility and adaptability have made them an essential tool for improving efficiency, productivity, and precision in multiple sectors. 2. Industrial automation and efficiency. In manufacturing, robots have revolutionized the production process. They can perform repetitive tasks with unmatched precision and speed, leading to increased productivity and reduced costs. This emphasis on industrial automation has made the topic of robotics highly sought after in the business world, making it an SEO-friendly subject. 3. Healthcare and assistive robotics. The application of robotics in healthcare has opened up new possibilities for medical professionals and patients alike. Surgical robots assist surgeons in performing intricate procedures with greater accuracy, minimizing the risk to patients. Additionally, assistive robots help individuals with disabilities regain independence and enhance their quality of life. The far-reaching impact of robotics in healthcare creates a wealth of content and interest, contributing to its SEO potential. 4. AI and robotics integration. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, with robotics has led to significant advancements in the field. AI-driven robots can learn from data, adapt to changing environments, and make autonomous decisions. This synergy of AI and robotics has given rise to intelligent machines that have the potential to transform industries like logistics, transportation, and customer service. The rising interest in AI and its intersection with robotics makes this topic appealing to search engines. 5. Education and research in robotics. Robotics has also become a focal point in education and research. Educational institutions and research organizations explore the possibilities of robotics to inspire future generations of engineers and scientists. Online content and discussions related to robotics research and educational programs contribute to its SEO ranking, as it attracts both professionals and curious learners. 6. Robotics in exploration and space missions. Robotics has expanded our ability to explore uncharted territories, including outer space. Space agencies and private companies use robotic rovers and probes to conduct scientific research and gather data on planets, moons, and asteroids. These robotic explorers enable us to study celestial bodies remotely, paving the way for future human missions and expanding our understanding of the universe. The fascination with space exploration contributes to the popularity of robotics in SEO searches. 7. Robotics in disaster response and search and rescue. During natural disasters and emergencies, robots play a crucial role in disaster response and search and rescue operations. Rescue robots can access hazardous environments, such as collapsed buildings, to locate survivors and assess damage. Their ability to navigate through debris and unstable structures makes them invaluable in saving lives and ensuring the safety of first responders. The importance of robotics in disaster management fuels interest in this topic and boosts its SEO ranking. 8. Robotics and ethical considerations. As robots become more sophisticated and integrated into our lives, ethical considerations surrounding their use have come to the forefront. Discussions about the ethical implications of AI-driven robots, such as autonomous vehicles and AI-powered decision-making machines, attract attention from the public and policymakers. Addressing ethical concerns in robotics research and development is crucial for shaping a responsible and equitable future, making this a highly relevant SEO topic. 9. Robotics and human-robot interaction. As robots become more prevalent, understanding human-robot interaction, HRI, becomes essential. Researchers explore how to design robots that can communicate and collaborate effectively with humans in various settings. Topics like emotional intelligence in robots, robot ethics, and user experience in HRI are increasingly discussed, fueling the interest of audiences and contributing to its SEO ranking. Conclusion. Robotics is a dynamic and multifaceted field that continues to capture the world's imagination. From industrial automation to healthcare, exploration to disaster response, the integration of AI to ethical considerations, and human-robot interaction, its diverse applications and implications make robotics a top-ranking topic in SEO searches. As technology continues to advance, robotics will undoubtedly shape our future, and staying informed about its developments and possibilities is crucial in navigating the transformative changes it brings to society.